cheap and healthy sources of protein. This is a series of videos that introduce you to cheap and healthy sources of protein. Also, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, let us get started. Today's video is about cottage cheese. Cottage cheese not only has almost 24 grams of protein per cup, but it also has casein. That is a type of protein that you digest slowly, which helps you feel full longer. Cottage cheese is a great add-in. Blend it into a smoothie or mix it into scrambled eggs. Use it as a base for a bowl topped with veggies, olives, and seasonings. Or power up muffins by adding cottage cheese to your favorite recipe. If you want to learn more about natural antibiotics and herbal remedies, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and activate the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.